Hi, I'm Kim Goyette, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. Did you know that laughter is medicine? It turns on oxytocin in the body and allows your blood vessels to open up and to flow freely. So it's so good for your body and your mind. So today we're going to be doing a short practice to invite more laughter into our lives. Let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So let's sit in a comfortable seat. And even if you're feeling a little down and you don't feel like laughing, we're going to just start to get into it. It might feel a little bit weird in your body and your mind to laugh for no reason, but we're going to start to turn on every cell of your being. So start with a smile. Open up your mouth a little bit and ha 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 ha. Just force that laugh out. Okay, let's do it again. Deep breath in. And you might find that just by hearing another person's laugh, it might be hilarious for yourself. Inhale big. Again. Getting a big belly laugh. Let's do it again. Just winding it down a little bit. And taking a moment as we settle in to close your eyes and just notice how you feel with just a few minutes of laughter in your life. Notice any tingling or warmth in your body and where your mind is at. And gently open the eyes. If you took just a few minutes of laughter by yourself or with friends every single day, then you can elevate to your highest vibrational state. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mutha. And if you like this video, please let me know how you feel. Drop a comment. And if you want to be the first to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. If you want to learn about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.